I'm David Gillespie. I'm a project manager for Summit Construction. We're here on site for the future Lancaster High School and Career Tech 365,000 square foot facility. This is the final building in the district's master facility plan, consisting of academic space, the Career Tech, the auditorium and stage, administrative offices, the main gym, a 3-court auxiliary gym, a multi-purpose wrestling room, and a weightlifting room. So let's check out what we've done so far. Thank you for joining us for the first installment of the construction update on the Lancaster High School project. We look forward to seeing you again soon.